been at the little, like...
Lexi? What?
Lexi?
What? Why am I calling?
Lexi's calling me.
Lexi's butt is calling her.
Oh my god, that's so weird. Crazy.
You're a creeper.
You're a creeper.
Oh,
It was because I was in my text messages and I forgot to like end it, and so
We're at Sonic.
when I
I've
accidentally
never been to Sonic
moved
before.
and it pressed
Yes.
talk, and so it
Sonic is
called
awesome.
you.
Really? They should have like those people
look
in
how
like
cute it
mini
is.
skirts and like
Can you see
rollerblades
it?
and shit.
Can you see them? Are they cute?
Yes.
They're supposed to go
They're
on
adorable.
rollerblades.
I know, why don't they have
That is so
rollerblades?
cool.
They're supposed to.
That is so old fashioned.
What, the rollerblades?
Yeah.
They should though.
Like it
That's
reminds you of
awesome.
like
They're supposed to.
I
They
don't
do
know.
it at the one in
I don't even.
Well, it's kind of
You don't
winter
even.
time, so I understand.
Huh?
Dude, we had such an awesome time, yo. You guys are all jealous you weren't
It
here.
was banging.
Yeah,
banging.
It was pretty
Banging.
sweet as shit.
Isn't that what
Wait,
you
that's
said
what we
when we
say.
first
Yes, I did. It's gonna be banging.
It was sweet
It
from a
was
show.
banging.
From a show.
This hotel
Show.
was banging.
It's a sweet show.
I was like, this place.
We got in there. We were like, and Lucy came. Lucy came out of nowhere. Wow.
Yeah, she
No one.
did.
We didn't expect her at all. I was so glad she was there. I had so much fun
How did
with
she
her.
come from? She like
I
fell
know.
out of the sky.
Out of the sky like Simon.
Yeah.
She was like,
We
"Woo."
were like, what?
And then Isaiah was like, I'm gonna get hit by a thing.
A thing.
Thing.
Like a vending machine. I tried to lift one, but it failed.
Yeah.
Because I'm not cheesy.
It was the kind with girl
I
underwear.
got
in them.
ice.
With girl underwear.
The used girl underwear.
Margie didn't wanted to. This one right here wanted to sell
Yeah, I did.
her underwear online once.
I heard you get a lot of money.
You get a lot of money for used underwear.
Especially
Like
if
people
I was
buy your
white.
underwear. It's
Oh.
so ridiculous. That's crazy.
That's nasty. Oh,
Yeah.
that's creepy.
That is creepy, right? People just.
Someone said if you like exercise in the gym with it, you get more.
How can they
delicious.
tell?
You could just lie about it, couldn't you? Or you have to make a video
Dip it
about
in
it.
water.
I'll make a big guy wear it. Trapped. Got him.
Shit.
Got him.
Got him.
Ew.
That'd be funny.
Dude, I'm getting a sweetheart shake, okay?
Yes.
excited.
Getting an
That's
Oreo
what it
thingy.
is. That's the sweet shake.
Mine's coconut and it's blue.
I should have gotten one of the
The
Sonic
blue
thingies or
coconut.
whatever.
That's like a royal coconut, yo. It's like,
It's like a chocolate disco.
Chocolate disco. Oh, I love that song. Oh my god. No, chocolate disco. Chocolate. Oh man.
It's so cute.
Stuck in my head.
Disco.
Chocolate disco.
Chocolate disco.
dude, that's so awesome.
Oh, perfume is crazy.
They're so cute. They're like
They're adorable, aren't
One's
they?
really stupid. It's so funny.
stupid, like silly,
Like,
like show,
no, like
or with like
dumb.
a derp.
Like she's doing
It's the noise she makes.
They were on Music Station once
make
and
duck
she was
faces.
talking and the guy was like, why is this stupid one talking?
Terrible.
Because she was explaining something, she was telling a story and she was like really confused. She like confused and messed it up. And he was like, why is she telling it? Why is this stupid?
I remember perfume at Arashi, and they were like perfume des, and they were like Arashi des.
Yes.
I don't see that.
They stopped. They were like, they said all their names, and they were like Arashi des. Oh, Arashi.
Dummies. You're so dumb.
Where are you posting this, by the way? For it not be YouTube.
YouTube and Facebook.
No, don't do
Yes.
it. No.
Both of them.
Two, we're gonna be awesome.
Yes.
Oh,
Speaking
please
of
don't
which,
post it
I
on
should
Facebook.
Get my.
I mean, please don't post it up on YouTube. People are gonna be like, "What the f is
Can
wrong?"
you get me my laptop bag?
Why not?
Because I
I don't think
YouTube
anyone
hates
subscribes to me anyway, so no
me.
one
I
will.
subscribe.
It's okay.
You subscribe me.
I don't like YouTube.
I know.
YouTube doesn't like me. They always leave weird comments on my shit. Like one time somebody said, "Can I have videos of your foot?"
Sorry.
What?
I was like,
Oh, that's gross, Tina.
I don't even understand. Like,
What?
feet are ugly, yo.
Yeah, why would you want a video of someone's feet?
Feet fetishes. Like the guy from
Do you
Mr.
want
Deeds.
me to draw like
Remember?
a face
him?
on it?
Yes.
He's very, very sneaky.
Very, very sticky.
I am very, very sneaky.
You're gonna film too? No, don't film me in my poofy hair in the pool.
Oh, your hair is so beautiful.
It's not. It's all curly.
We all look retarded right now, except for
Okay.
like Tina.
Yeah,
Tied
Tina
this.
always looks like her hair's always perfect.
No, it's because I was like,
Asian hair goes straight.
Yeah, Asian hair's awesome.
I was like,
You're just
I did my
Margie
emo
then.
flip.
You hit me in the face!
You deserve it. I did my emo flip, and that's what happened when you do this. You have to do
Oh
do
yeah,
emo.
we're at Sonic, yo.
Sonic is awesome. He's the best
This is like the
ever.
whole video starting over again.
I know. I should probably stop and then let your video take over.
We should do a combined video, and we should like make like yours part
That'd be
1 and mine
awesome,
part
yes.
2. And they'd be like, these are from 2 different people.
You guys are really
Yeah, and they would
talking
be like,
to each other
"What?"
right now about posting it.
Yeah. No, seriously, we have to do this.
We do. Okay, so I have part 1 and I'm ending now, and you have part
Okay.
2.
Okay.
You had